Hello friends, welcome back to GK Malayalam. This video consists of questions and answers related to Children's Day. First question. When is Children's Day celebrated? November 14. Whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day in India? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. When is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru? November 14, 1889. Where was Jawaharlal Nehru born? Answer. Allahabad. What is the new name of Allahabad? Answer. Prayagraj. What was the nickname given to Jawaharlal Nehru by his children? Answer. Chachaji. When is World Children's Day? Answer. November 20. What is the name of Nehru's father? Answer. Motilal Nehru. What is the name of Nehru's mother? Answer. Swarup Rani. What is the name of Nehru's wife? Answer. Kamala Kaul. Who was the first Prime Minister to address the Kerala Legislative Assembly? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is known as the architect of modern India? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the meaning of the Arabic word Jawahar? Answer. Precious gem. Which state was described by Nehru as the gem of India? Answer. Manipur. Which was the first Congress meeting presided over by Nehru? Answer. Lahore Conference. In which year did Jawaharlal Nehru receive the Bharat Ratna? Answer. 1955. Which newspaper was started by Jawaharlal Nehru and his father Motilal Nehru in 1919? Answer. Independent. The name of the elephant that was sent to Japan at the request of children by Jawaharlal Nehru? Answer. Indira. To whom was the famous autobiography of Jawaharlal Nehru dedicated? Answer. Kamala Nehru. Who drafted the Constitution of India? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. Where did Jawaharlal Nehru graduate as a barrister? Answer. London. Whose work is Discovery of India? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who played the role of Nehru in the film Gandhi? Answer. Roshan Seth. In which year was the Jawaharlal Nehru University in New Delhi established? Answer. 1969. From which year was November 14, the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, celebrated as Children's Day? Answer. 1964. Where is the Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium located? Answer. Allahabad. In which lake is the Nehru Trophy boat race held? Punnamadakayal. When and where did Nehru first meet Gandhiji? At the 1916 Congress meeting in Lucknow. Which part of the Indian Constitution was drafted by Nehru? Answer. Introduction. In which year did Nehru receive the Bharat Ratna? Answer. July 15, 1955. Whose death did Nehru say that lamp went out? Answer. About the death of Gandhiji. Who was the first woman to receive the Jawaharlal Nehru Award from the Government of India? Answer. Mother Teresa. Which is a collection of letters written by Nehru to his daughter Indira during her imprisonment? Answer. Letters sent by a father to his daughter. How many years did Nehru become the Prime Minister of India? Answer. 17 years. Where is Jawaharlal Nehru Port located? Answer. Mumbai. Whose idea was adopted by Nehru for the construction of modern India? Answer. Gandhiji's. Where is the Nehru Memorial Museum and Library located? Answer. New Delhi. Who declared Jawaharlal Nehru as his political successor? Answer. Gandhiji. What did Nehru call the temples of modern India? Answer. Dams. Which musician was most revered and respected by Nehru? Answer. M.S. Subbulakshmi. Which newspaper was started by Jawaharlal Nehru in 1938? Answer. National Herald. Who was Nehru's favorite cartoonist? Answer: Shankar. What is the name of Motilal Nehru's house in Allahabad? Answer: Ananda Bhavanam. Which teacher gave primary education to Jawaharlal Nehru? Answer: Ferdinand Brooke. When did Jawaharlal Nehru die? Answer: May 27, 1964. Where is the tomb of Jawaharlal Nehru? Answer: Shantivanam.